I have an idea, but will they listen to me? I need a voice.
Hey, what's up? Some of you don't really know me that much, so I just want to talk about myself a little.
Realist, never G'd up cause I know my limits. I ain't gonna act like a bad man, misfit. Never back down, that'll be my characteristic. My life laid out and I got the logistics. Oh, and my feelings are aesthetic. When I come to arcs, my view's holistic. Yeah, bit bias, I critique, but when it's too much, then it's an instinct. Army and chief, we bow here. When we come around, I be like, oh yeah. Then B scream, what's up, oh hear me. Then I holler back like music to my ear. Lord knows I was caught here. Ain't no way I'm gon' far here. Despite bumblings, persevering, a real looking. I've been doing this all year. Music be my wife. My middle name is Jam. See, I'ma change the game in my life. Don't believe me, just watch me. I've got 100 students here know me. 40% don't talk to me. 20% really know me. So tell me what you know about me. Everybody knows that I love this school, and that I don't joke when it comes to my grades. And when I need to practice, I don't like to fool. When it comes to electronics, I like to upgrade. I'm a cool guy once you get to know me. Annoying sometimes, but you get used to it. I'm from the great Zambezi, you knew that. Edem, Mark, Ketchup. When it's something I care about, I give my devotion. I can be efficient, trust me, no doubt, that's my self-evaluation. Generally, I have good relations. Anyone can start a conversation.